Hey guys, it's Tori here, and I'm here to talk to you about a serious subject. That subject is animal abuse.
Hello, my pretty.
Rabbit! Do you love me? Do you love me or not? Answer me! Stop acting like an idiot! Quit sitting! What is wrong with you? Give me your number. What is wrong? Tell me that you love me! Quit laying there like... That's all I have. That's what you're supposed to do. That is not what you're supposed to do. If you ever see anybody that crazy and stupid, call. Do it. 858. Don't know what that number is, but 858. Do it for the animals. Do it. I'm sexy and I'm knowing. Well, the cast is Gabrielle Pascual playing the crazy woman. Me, Tori Hernandez, as playing the good, what is it called? Serious person, and my bunny Dumper playing the bunny that's very scared.
See ya!
Bye. Deuces.